Good morning, YouTube, from ArizonaHotHomestead. Welcome, folks. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Can you see me? But here on New Year's Day 2019, I got a little bit of snow. It's been snowing since about 4 o'clock New Year's Eve. It's supposed to be cloudy and snow all till like 5, 6 o'clock tonight. So I'm still expected to get a few more inches, probably maybe only another inch or two. But I've got on top of this, there was already about 8 inches from Christmas snow. So now New Year's, I'm getting a whole bunch more. I think I just doubled that easily. Let's take a little snow walk. Snow Angel? No, I ain't doing that. Holy cow, is this deep. Look at this. That's how deep it is, folks. My boot. Holy Toledo. Well, over here, I have a fire pit. Fire pit's right there. You can't even see the fire pit. Look at my chairs. Snow goes all the way up to here. Holy Toledo, is this some snow? Now, when this snow fell last night, this chair was empty. These here had maybe a little bit of snow on, about 4 inches. So you can see I got a lot of snow. you guys enjoyed the walk around Arizona Hot Homestead, Arizona Snowy Homestead. Hope you enjoyed the snow video today. 18 inches of snow, or something right around there, covered up my boot. My name is Jeff, and you've been watching Arizona Hot Homestead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comments, and see you bye. Have fun. Have a safe New Year, folks.